Hello everyone, welcome back to the Hindi world. Are you all doing same mistake while saying Mera kitab or Meri kitab? Should we use Mera kitab for male person or Meri kitab for female person? The answer is no. It doesn't depend on speaker gender. It only depends on things or object gender. Using a word according to the speaker is irrelevant, but according to the noun is important. Let's learn step by step. First, we need to understand the noun gender. For example, book is kitab is a female word. Chair means kursi is also a female word. Room, kamra is a male word. Fan means pankha is also a male word. Watch means ghadi is female word. With the female noun, we need to use the Meri word. With the male noun for singular, use Mera word. And with the male noun for plural, use Mere word. If you want me to make a detailed video on this topic, write in a comment box. Let's see some examples now. This is my book. यह मेरी किताब है. Kitab is a female word, that's why we use Meri word in this sentence. That is my chair. वह मेरी कुर्सी है. Kursi is also a female word, that is why we use Meri word. Those are my rooms. वे मेरे कमरे हैं. कमरे is a male plural word. That is why we use मेरे. This is my fan. यह मेरा पंखा है. पंखा is a male singular word. So that is why we use मेरा word. This is my watch. यह मेरी घड़ी है. घड़ी is a female word.